So, yeah, this is what we're looking at. Just a quick overview of everything.
Yeah, so to change these, you gotta pry up above, you know, so we can get the nails out. So because they're nailed up at the top. So we gotta pry these up. When you pry them up, you know, they just rip. Now, you have to do the one up above. See? Because we gotta get this shingle. And now this one's tore, so you gotta get this one. And it just goes on and on. This one's broken. Now we gotta go all the way up. Kind of tore.
Yeah.
So now we gotta change this one, and they're just gonna keep going. It makes, you know, makes no sense of just repairing a couple of shingles if they just keep tearing apart.
Yeah.
You know? So should we leave it at that, or?
Yeah, I guess. Hammer it.
Lift it and it breaks the seal on all the ones up above it, you know. So, see, by lifting this one, kind of tore, so I got to nail this one below it.
It's tearing, yep. Another tear. Tear right here.
Yeah. The reason is you got to lift it so we can get a good nail on these. Now these are tore.
Yeah.
Now we got to change this one. And if we keep going, then
Yeah.
everything's gonna tear up above
from
it.
there. Yeah, show me that nail. See, that's a proper sit. Maybe we can.
Put it in.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's kind of tough when you gotta know your stuff.
Let's see, we got creasing here. So we got a.
Yeah.
Yep. Now we got a line.
I mean, now this nail popped out, you know, so now we got to nail this one. Now we got to lift this one. And,
Yeah, and that just ripped.
yeah, it just ripped.
Yeah, these.
They lost their seal now.
Yeah.
It's ripped.
See, ripped, creased.
Yeah. So if we want to change it, then the rest of them are going to be damaged. So, especially right here, the ones that go off in the valley, we
Yeah.
start ripping them. We have to rip them whole thing.
Yeah. Well, looks like
By
about
the
does
time
it.
we replace whatever's damaged, we end up replacing the whole.
Mm.